Namur, Belgium, July 2nd, 2025. Severe weather including storms and flooding hit parts of Belgium, particularly in the province of Namur on Wednesday, causing widespread chaos, local officials said. After peaks of 38 degrees Celsius, violent thunderstorms broke out in Namur including hail, intense rain, and gusts of up to 100 km/h prompted the IRM to issue an orange alert. While it was still excessively hot this Wednesday afternoon, with the temperatures between 33 and 37 degrees Celsius and even locally as high as 38 degrees Celsius in eastern Belgium, the situation soon changed drastically by late afternoon. Thunderstorms raged in the Namur and Liège region in particular. Large hail and heavy rain occurred. Damage was reported this Wednesday evening in Namur, as reported by Sudinfo. Boulevard Durbait was flooded in just a few minutes. In the Hooy-Warm region, several trees fell onto the roadway due to the wind and heavy rain. As the sun returned to parts of the Namur province, residents are observing the damage left by the storms. Flooded roads, uprooted trees, and underwater cellars are reported. Power outages were reported, while in Natoy and Bayo, hailstones were reported at the height of the storm around 5:30 p.m. In Sosoy, localized flooding was observed. In Sini, in the area of the train stations, the storm was particularly intense. Part of Flanders was also affected by severe weather this Wednesday. As our colleagues at HLN reports, late this afternoon, Slip Road 27 of E314 near Circuit Zolder was temporarily closed to traffic. A tree uprooted by the wind fell onto the road. A tree fell between Sini and Himoan, damaging a vehicle. Motorists moved the tree to allow traffic to resume. The driver was trying to identify the people present to prepare an insurance claim. Havelange was also affected by this weather phenomenon. According to some reports, up to 40 liters of water per square meter fell in less than an hour in some places. Meanwhile, Liège Province also affected. Heavy rains are hitting some areas. Due to the weather conditions, several outdoors events have decided to close early. A tree fell onto the road in downtown Liège near the Bilial shopping center. The Dinavi Fire Department was called in. By 6 p.m., the situations appear to be stabilizing. Although social media remained particularly active, relaying photos, videos, and calls for help, testifying to the brutality of the phenomenon. Firefighters in the NEG zone, Namur, Anden, Gembloux, Egeze, received around 100 requests for assistance due to the storms that hit the Walloon capital and its surrounding areas late Wednesday. According to Fire Chief Pierre Boca, the 50 or so interventions ultimately required mainly concerned flooded roads, trees, or branches falling onto public roads, and flooded cellars. The most affected municipality was Provenville, the NEG zone further state. The Royal Meteorological Institute (IRM) had warned early in the day clouds would appear and give rise to localized, sometimes violent thunderstorms with heavy precipitations and hail in short period of time. The wind will be moderate, but in thunderstorms, gusts could reach 50 to 70 km per hour and even 100 in isolated severe thunderstorms.
Oui.
For this reason, IRM has upgraded its yellow thunderstorms alert issued Wednesday morning to code orange. Wednesday evening, the weather will remain unstable in the east, with further localized severe thunderstorms, while it will become generally dry in the west. Overnight, the thunderstorms will leave the country to the east and the weather will return to dryness everywhere. The intense thunderstorm cells are gradually shifting eastward, but the provinces of Liège and Luxembourg are likely to continue to experience precipitations amounts exceeding 30 or 40 liters per square meter Wednesday evening, as well as the risk of a strong wind gusts and hailstones, according to the Royal Meteorological Institute (RMI), which has placed this province on orange alert until 11 p.m.